Good morning. I'm on vacation and I thought, why not show you my favorite 5-minute makeup that I've been doing lately. I just purchased Merit makeup. Well, not just. I would say about 2 months ago, and I'm obsessed. I was so concerned it wasn't going to give me enough coverage, but the coverage is amazing because it's lightweight and you can still build on it. I decided to do a full face. I know normally we just piece things together, but I thought to give it the full review, I'd have to just try everything. And I highly recommend because it works so well together. Everything is super blendable, and that brush that you see me using is a staple. You have to have that. You have to start with that Merit primer. I was really skeptical because I already have somewhat oily skin and I thought it would make it worse, but really it just melts the makeup together. It's so good. When you're picking out colors, I would say the only thing that you really want to get right the first time would be your primary foundation. The easy answer for me was just to do 2 different colors so that I could layer them together. But other than that, you can just have fun. I could easily get multiple colors of brushes, multiple colors of the bronzer stick. The brow wasn't too particular. Like, you really have a lot of freedom to order online. So don't worry about that. But I do think getting 2 concealer sticks is the way to go, just to make sure you get your shade. I couldn't wrap this up without highly recommending the setting spray. This makeup is beautiful, super lightweight, but if you don't set it, I will have to say it doesn't stay great. But the setting spray makes it last all day. So love the Urban Decay one, and let me know if you try this makeup tutorial. I love Merit.